Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford F-150. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, easy access heavy duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels and they are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.